guys, I can't believe that my boyfriend convinced me to be totally open to going to IKEA in Round Rock, Texas. Round Rock, Texas is a smaller city by Austin, and we are on our way there. We are only going there because Moy cannot wait his pretty little heart for any of the furniture.
Why are you guilt tripping?
But I'll do anything for him. We're picking up probably most of his items, and that's crazy because they're like out of stock everywhere. And I know we got the Alex drawers in Houston, but we don't really like the teal color, so we're gonna run inside and see if we can find the white ones. Something I'm not looking forward to though, there's one item in stock, not even in Round Rock, but there's one thing, and it's called the FABRIKÖR whatever display case. I'll show it here. He wants to go, so we'll get to Round Rock, right? So Houston to Round Rock, 2 hours 40 minutes. Round Rock to Live Oak, so he wants to go to IKEA Live Oak afterwards. How long is that away?
Like an hour.
Another hour from Round Rock, so 3 hours there. Then we're gonna go more out of the way. Another hour and 30 minutes to pick up this one item that they have one of. So that's not even promised. I'm gonna try to call though.
It's there, we just gotta hustle.
Did you get what you wanted?
Yes.
What did you get here?
Then my shelves and my white desk drawers.
Yes.
And your roses. Did we buy a metal shelf too?
Uh-huh.
Okay. I just threw it in there. I don't want to check. You need to check the car, make sure everything we bought
It's in there?
we have, because I
Okay.
don't know what we bought.
It's gonna be so beautiful. That is what I'm most excited
Did you
about.
go already?
My truck is filled to the tippy top, but I don't care. We're still gonna shove a bunch of things in here. We're on our way to Live Oak, IKEA now. It's an hour and 12 minutes from where we are right now. We're gonna get there 24 minutes before closing, if God lets us. So they better be ready for us. Oh my gosh.
800 feet, turn right into
Guys, this IKEA looks so much nicer than both Houston and Round Rock. Right?
Mm-hmm. Then Round Rock, for sure. Houston's a nice one too.
then arrive at your
Yeah,
destination.
Houston is nice. Just the things around it aren't nice. But this one has an Olive Garden. The other one in Houston has like a China buffet. Are you on the wrong side of the road?
I don't think so.
Guys, this one is big. Nice. Okay, there's one in stock here. We are on the lookout. I mean, on a mission. Okay, what did we just find?
We found the last one, baby.
Look, literally, guys, the last freaking one.
What? Oh, I'm about to go get it. Hold it, don't move.
Oh, I can't leave it now? Who runs like that? I'm just kidding. He's so cute. I'm so glad, guys. I'm so happy that we found what he wanted. Yay, we made it back home. So now we're building everything. The first things that we're building are called the FJALLBO. So it's two pieces. They're named the same thing. You can just get them in different dimensions. So we got the taller bookshelf and the shorter shelf with the metal, doors with the shorter shelf. The other thing that we're building right now is called the FABRIKÖR, which is the glass display case. Moy got it in a navy blue, but they have other colors, and this thing is beautiful. Guys, please, most importantly, please remember that everything is linked in the description.
Desk, I'm actually really happy with the way it turned out. I've seen a bunch of YouTubers or streamers with it, and I couldn't believe what this top actually is. It's not a desktop, it's actually a countertop. And we went to IKEA and we were going for the Carbly, but they were all sold out, so we ended up going with this a little bit more expensive one. It's called the SKOGSA. It's actually 98 by 25 inches, and it fit perfect in the space in this room. A lot of streamers do it, a lot of YouTubers do it. Random Frank P was one of the inspirations here. Bing. Okay guys, so the plan for this wall was these clear shoe boxes from floor to ceiling. I already had a bunch of them from the apartment, but it wasn't enough to cover the whole wall, so Jesse and I had to make a quick trip to the Container Store. We bought 4 more boxes, which each box has 6 times 4 is what, 28? No, 6 times 4, 20, we bought 24 more. My strategy for these were to put the new ones, you know, eyesight, and then the older ones near the top where you would be less likely to see any blemishes. But we love these. They do break a little bit if you're not careful with them. They're a little fragile, but as long as you're not, you know, super rough, you'll be okay using these. But the final result ended up being really clean, really grand. All these shoes, I think it was 75 of them, were all cleaned with the toothbrush by Jess. She sat there for 5 days after work. I didn't even have to ask her to do it. She did it out of the love in her heart. Cleaned every shoe spotless. I was a little worried. I was like, baby, nah, don't do it. I don't trust a lot of people with my shoes. But she told me that she's gonna be super careful, and I'm very glad that I let her do it.
So as you can see, we mostly furnished my boyfriend's room, but up next on my next video is my shelves. I'm gonna be painting my Billy IKEA shelves, and after that I will be decorating them. So please make sure to look out for the next video. It's gonna be a DIY and just showing you how you can paint such a laminate surface, because I know IKEA shelves and all IKEA products, you know, it's a global company, so everyone likes IKEA because it's affordable, and you know, it's nice pieces that you can DIY. I mean, people make thousands of things. Ah! No! God, where was I? I'm really liking doing this house stuff, and I will be posting more videos of just vlogs that I've done for MOYS' birthday and a day at the ranch. And yes, look out for my next video, because it's gonna be about, no, I can't with his face because he has the cutest face. I can't even be mad at you. So the next video will be us painting my IKEA shelves, and then after that is a video of me decorating them. So I hope you guys are ready for that. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I think it's time y'all meet Louie. Yeah, Louie, look. Ow, Louie. What a good boy. He's so cute. Yes, you are. This is Louie, you guys. He's actually my He's my sister's dog. He's huge. He's a huge golden doodle. Yeah. Whew. He loves attention. He loves to play. And he is probably gonna be in my videos. And we're also doing the guest room, so watch out for that. I hope I'm giving you guys some nice home ideas. Bye. Always all up in my business.